What's up, everyone? This is Crown Dodge and Ram in Ventura. Today, we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn Quad Cab 4x2 that's still under factory warranty. It's got the maximum steel metallic clear coat exterior with black diesel gray cloth interior. Coming in at 34,436 miles, it's got the 5.7 liter V8 HEMI with a Class 4 receiver hitch and a 7-pin wiring harness. ParkView rear backup camera, ParkSense front and rear park assist with stop, keyless entry, remote start system, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, a media hub, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, power folding mirrors, rear power sliding window, rear window defroster, universal garage door opener, and more. If you like what you see, call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge and Ram in Ventura, and you just previewed a certified pre-owned 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn Quad Cab 4x2. We're open 7 days a week. Come on by. See you here for a test drive.